Now, this is an example of the combination of simple interest note and bank discount note, wherein the given problem is that Ms. Perez has a note of 100,000 pesos dated November 27, 2019. And then the note is due in 300 days with 18% simple interest. Now, if she sells the note on July 2, 2020 at a bank charging a discount rate of 15%, find letter A, the interest, letter B, maturity value, letter C, maturity date, letter D, term of discount, letter E, bank discount, and F, proceeds. So it is a combination of simple interest note and bank discount note, wherein we have it here that these are the required. And then for the solution, we have the given from the beginning of the transaction is the face value, which is 100,000. With simple interest rate at 18%. Term of note is 300 days. And then the date of note when the promissory note was written on November 27, 2019. And then the date when it is discounted, July 2, 2020. During the discounting transaction, the discount rate is 15%. And for the solution, first we have to look for the interest, which is equal to face value times the R, term of note, and then substituting the values we have. For the face value, 100,000, the simple interest rate is 8.18, and then for the term of note, 300, so we have to convert into year, so divided by 360. So then the interest is equal to 15,000 pesos. And then for letter B, wherein we have to look for the maturity value, this is just simply the face value plus the interest. And this is just simply 100,000 plus the interest, which is 15,000. Then maturity value is 115,000. And then for maturity date, we have to look for the maturity date using the actual time. So we have to start when the note was written, which is on November 27, 2019, and then using the actual time. That for November 27, November has 30 days, so there are 3 days left. And then for December, it has 31, January 31, February, because 2020 is a leap year, so February has 29 days, March 31, April 30, May 31, June 30, July 31, August 31, September 22. So we have to have a total of 300 days. And then to have a 300 days, then this is actually the maturity date, wherein it falls at September 22, and the year is 2020. And for finding the term of discount, the idea is that before its maturity date, the discounting date was July 2, 2020. So meaning to say that before its maturity date, it has a discounting transaction. So then, from July 2 to 2020, counting off the number of days left up to September 22, 2020. So for the month of July, the number of days left is 29 days because July has 31 days. And then for August, 31 days. And then of course for the maturity date, September 22. So then adding up, the term of discount is 82 days. So this is the days, number of days used for the discounting date or discounting terms from discounting date to maturity date. The term of discount is 82 days. And then from here, you can now find the bank discount. This is the interest deducted in advance, which is equal to maturity value times the discount rate and multiplied by the term of discount, which is from the previous unknown, which determined as 82 days. So substituting the values, the maturity value that we obtained from the previous unknown is 115,000, and then the discount rate is 15%, and the term discount is 82 days, converting into years, so divided by 360. Then the bank discount, which is this is the interest deducted in advance. So then it has 3,929.17. So this is the interest deducted in advance, meaning before its maturity date. And then finally, finding the proceeds, it can be the difference between maturity value and the bank discount. So maturity value is 115,000 and the bank discount is 3,929.17. So then the proceed is 111,070.83.